Hi everybody, Ann-Marie Fleming here from Traction Complete, and today I'm going to show you a really cool use of our AI that you can put right into your workflows, right inside of Salesforce. So this workflow is going to utilize our multi-field update step, and it's going to do some enrichment, pulling in some firmographic data, and it's also going to do some standardization using the information that we are going to enrich to determine what NAICS code to associate with the account. Why is that important? Well, there's a few reasons. A couple that come to mind is if you have an organization that deals with the government, then any government contract or bid usually requires the company to have a NAICS code. You may also just have external systems and you want them all to be talking the same language when it comes to industry categorization. So that is just a universal standard to use across most North American companies. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is our new multi-field enrichment step, which it is incredibly easy to use. And part of the reason for that is you get to select the fields that you want to use for context so that you don't have to put all of that information into prompts. So first you select the fields you want AI to use for context, and then you can select the fields that you want to update. So whether that's enrichment or whether that's part of the standardization that I just mentioned or whatever it is the use case, this is the section that does all of the updating. And you can do all of this in one flow step, which is pretty incredible. So we're going to ask it to bring in things like industry, annual revenue, and employee size. And then we're going to ask it to use that information and make a determination as to how you want to classify that industry using the NAICS code. And then one step further, we're going to ask it to then just include the title of the code and then give us just a sense of how confident you are in that decision. So let's give it a shot. So I'm going to set up an account. I'm going to only give it two things. I'm going to give it account name and domain, PFIZ. That's it. I'm not going to give it anything else to work with. And this is just my sandbox. I don't have any data providers or enrichment providers connected. I am just basing this off of our AI flow step. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have any revenue, I don't have industry, I don't have employees, I just have the website and the account name, and we are going to see some magic happening here. So let's give it a refresh. Okay, so we've got our firmographic data coming in, and let's just do a quick search. And there we go. We've got the NAICS code, and we've got the title of that code, and it has a high confidence level. Such a great way to take the firmographic information that AI has pulled in and use it for this standardization use case that can help you to standardize and make consistent the way that you categorize industry. I mentioned a couple reasons why that's important, but I'm sure there's a list of others as well. So until next time, thanks for watching.